Today, after I woke up, I saw something unbelievable. Every morning I used to wake up, I used to see 2 fine lines of wrinkles over my forehead. But now it has been few days that I wash my face with this special Miraculous soap. And moreover, I didn't even use my retinoid cream last night. But see for yourself, there is no lines on my forehead anymore. What a soap this is. Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to share something with you which is really amazing. I've been using this soap which looks an ordinary soap to you, but actually this is an amazing Miraculous soap. And ever since that I started using this soap, it just removed all my fine lines around my forehead. And basically I used to wake up every morning with these fine lines on my forehead, and it used to really annoy me. So ever since I used this soap, every morning when I wash it, the lines are gone. You might wonder what it is. This is basically a donkey milk soap, which is smelling amazing. I don't know how many of you know donkey milk. It's like miraculous. It does wonders to your skin, especially rejuvenates and gets rid of all the wrinkles and sign of aging. And in the ancient time, they say that Cleopatra, which is famous for her beauty, used to bathe in 30, I think, donkey milk. They used to milk 30 donkeys, and then she used to bathe into the donkey milk regularly. So yeah, donkey milk. There are a lot of donkey milk soaps out there which you can't really trust. I researched a lot so that I found the right one which is really actually working. So it's really important that what kind of soap you're ordering. I've linked down this soap at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. You can just order for yourself from your country of your residence. And I'm going to try this milk soap and show you how it is, the difference. And also I'm going to share with you a very powerful routine which I'm associating with this donkey milk soap, which gives me really maximum effect. And I'm going to show you those products, how to use it in order in the night and in the day, that you really can get a smooth, wrinkle-less, no wrinkle skin. So all of the products that I'm going to show you in this video going to be linked down at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment, as well as this soap. And by the way, if you're going to use the soap, you know that if you just put the soap in the place that whatever you have, it just becomes very slimy and it just reduces the life of your soap because of the water. So I recommend you to use one of these special stuff for putting soap on it. I'm using this for years and it just makes my soap so clean, no slime anymore, and makes your soap to stay longer, and you can use it for a longer period of time. So I'm going to link that also at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. So without any further ado, let's go, and I will share all the miraculous and secrets about this soap and the routine. Now this is the end of the day and I've done all my stuff, so this is time for me to cleanse and clean up my skin from all the impurities and makeup. So I'm going to share with you quickly my cleansing routine in the night, and I'm going to show you what the products is that I'm using. And after cleansing, I'm going to show you the wrinkles over my face. This is the fermented black rice oil. It is very special oil for cleansing and removing the makeup and impurity from the skin from Korea. It's really amazing. I totally recommend to use this oil for cleansing your face, which save a lot of time and a lot of effort. You just need a little bit of this oil and it goes a long way. And if you keep rubbing it on your face while cleansing your makeup, it even brings out the whitehead from all over your skin. Just a little bit, one pump of this oil is enough. Obviously, you're not going to put this oil over your eyes, just all around your face, because it will irritate you. It's oil, so just avoid. So I'll just massage this oil for about a minute all over my face, and it just loosen up all the impurities and makeup from my face. You can either go directly and wash your face with your face wash after this oil, or just you can use a wipe and wipe the oil and then wash your face. This oil is suitable for all the skin type, and it's really gentle on the skin and it doesn't damage your skin. Now this is that Miraculous soap that I earlier talked about it, and it's gonna do wonders on my face. Now there is a little bit of makeup around my eyes that I'm gonna use the milk to remove it and put a toner on my face. This is my L'Oreal all-time favorite cleansing and makeup remover milk with extract of rose water. It stays for a very long time for you, and I totally recommend it. It's very gentle on the skin. I'm using this for years, and I'll leave the link down below for you. So the toner I'm using is the, again, Fermented Black Rice Korean Toner natural product, which is amazing. If you're looking to get a plump Korean skin, this is the toner for you. Now I'm going to show you my wrinkles and fine lines close up on my forehead. As you can see, there is very small 2 or 3 wrinkles and fine lines over my forehead that I have it after cleansing my face. Now I've shown you my night routine, how I cleanse my skin, and I washed it with that soap. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put whatever the cream I'm using, and then in the morning when I'm cleansing my face and washing with that soap again, you'll see that these wrinkles disappear for the day. It is very amazing that this soap can do such a thing, because I didn't experience this before, and I believe because of the active ingredients of the donkey milk inside this soap, that's why this soap can do this for us. Good morning. I just had a shower and I cleansed my face. Now my face is completely clean. It doesn't have anything on it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm using after this soap and finishing my skincare routine in the morning, which helps it to seal my wrinkle-free skin for the day. First thing, I'm using this natural chemical-free Korean vegan green tea kombucha toner on my face, which is amazing, and it really helps to seal the wrinkle-free skin for the day. And before I forget, I just want to tell you I've got this recent skincare organizer, which is so good. It's very easy to use, very chic. You can put a lot of skincare things in it, and you can just see and easily use any of the skincare that you want. You know that I link all the products and everything that I show you at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. Whenever I use any kind of product on my face, when there is a little bit residue left on the palm of my hands, I go ahead and massage all over my hands, because you need to also take care of your hands. After applying the toner, I go ahead and I use natural chemical-free plant-based protective serum on my face. This is a very powerful and concentrated plant-based serum that it will prevent all the free radicals to get into your skin during the day, and it's so powerful, which you really don't need any kind of cream over this one. It's got all the concentrated peptides of the different plants in it, such as green pea, as well as a specific kind of mushroom which is very famous for anti-aging. I just want to show you how concentrated and powerful this serum is. I'm very happy and satisfied with this serum. It's a very big size, and I'm gonna leave you the link with the discount code of 20% off your entire shopping of this website, which offers all the natural and chemical free plant-based products, which are really amazing. Now I finished my skincare. Before applying the sunblock cream, I'm gonna go ahead and show you close up my forehead. Before, you saw I had some fine lines, and now I'm gonna show you that with this quick and very effective skincare routine in the morning, I do not have any single wrinkles over my face for the rest of the day. You can see now my forehead that it doesn't have any wrinkle. It's very smooth, and it's gonna stay like that for the whole day. If you follow the routine in the night and in the daytime that I just shared with you in this video, I can guarantee you within a week you will see a big change on the conditions and transformations of your face. Don't forget to always apply the sunblock after your day skincare routine, no matter if there is a sun or not, no matter if you are indoors or outdoors, no matter if it's a spring or winter. You should always apply the sunblock to prevent the future wrinkles. I will link down all the products in this video, as well as the sunblock cream from the country of your residence at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment, and you can go and grab it for yourself. Okay, until the next video, bye bye.